Today, being the 24th day of September 2025, I released somebody from female prison, Kirikiri, Lagos. Let us hear from her. You can come. Stand up.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Amanda Okeosisi.
Okay. What is your address?
I'm from Awkuzu.
What is your phone number?
I don't have a phone now.
How old are you?
28 years.
Which tribe are you?
Ezeigbo.
Which state are you from?
Anambra State.
Okay. Tell the whole world what happened today. How you was released from female prison, Kirikiri today.
I was in Kirikiri at Lagos. Today that my court day 24th. As I went to court, suddenly they have released me by Gburugburu, one of Igbo land.
Okay. What did make you go to prison for the first time? What did happen? What did happen? What are you doing in Lagos? Because you say you are from Awkuzu.
One of my sisters from Awkuzu carried me come Lagos. Let me go and start the work. They have a work. So as I reached Maza, they lodged me at the hotel with my agent to phone her to go to Ghana. So I don't want to go to Ghana to go and hustle, to go and sell my body to somebody. So I decided to do Lagos to find money. So I will go back. I will not go back with empty hand. I've already seen myself for Lagos. So I don't want to go to Ghana. That's why I stopped in Lagos.
Okay. So when they called you from Awkuzu Anambra State to go to Ghana, did they told you what you are going to do in Ghana?
They said I should come to Lagos to come and do business. They should pay me money. So as I reached Lagos, they sent to Ghana. They sent me one agent that lodged me in the hotel.
Okay. So the agent that lodged you in the hotel did not tell you what you are going to do in Lagos?
No.
So when you reach Lagos now, they told you to go to Ghana?
Yes.
And start a shower work?
Yes.
So where can we see the agent now? Because I will report the matter to Nigerian police to get the agent arrested.
At the hotel.
Which hotel can we see her?
Bako bus stop.
Lagos, yeah?
Yeah.
Maza?
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened after they called you to come and do a shower work in Ghana and you told them that you don't want to do the work? So what made police to arrest you and take you to prison?
As I escaped from the agent, I been Maza Odojo Road, stay with one lady that is from Anambra State. So one like this, I want to go and buy something. As I'm passing for Peace Park with my cooler, I bought back to the cooler, I go buy Gary, I go take drink. As I'm passing to that Peace Park, and I thought so police said I should stop. As I stop, they said I should enter motor. I thought that I not do anything though. They said I should enter motor. That's why that I see myself in Kirikiri.
Okay. That's how they have been doing so many people. They will bring girls from village and they will send them to Ghana and Uganda, Libya, to go and do a shower work. But by the special grace of God, Ezeigbo Gburugburu will make sure that all those rubbish will stop. By the time we get this agent arrested, other people will learn from that. My God will bless you. If you know that thing you do, after this interview, either you go back to Awkuzu, go and continue your life there, or you look for something doing in Lagos here.
Yes, sir.
My God will bless you.
Thank you, sir. Oh, yeah, but like this, I say, yeah, the cage, oh, you go, yeah, chill, baby.